Hey everyone, welcome to another update of Swipey Rogue. I'm filming off the screen again because I'm going to be showing you some stuff on the phone and on the PC. So anyway, I'm going to do a PC update just to remind everybody that this is also, an Android product. It's not just going to be iOS, although iOS is my main SKU. Okay, so I'm almost done all the integration of all the services. I'm so happy. So the last one is the replays. I had the replays already, but I wanted to add the metadata. So on the EveryPlay site, I can set up a set of metadata, which is key value pairs, and this is information that can get stored from the game into basically the video, so that when you're on the site, you can see some extra information about the video, including like specific data that you can sort and search by, and that can show up in the title. So I can also set up a default title using those name value pairs. So I'm just going to quickly jump over back in my code. As soon as I finished recording, then I set the metadata and pass that information from the current room, and everything that you just scored, and it goes back to the game. So let's see, because all that's boring, let's just actually see it in action. So let's come over here. Let's pretend I'm playing this game. So here I am. I'm on this room. This is a pretty fun room. I'm cruising along. Whoops, I'm dying. Okay, cool. Let's try this again. So I'm cruising along. I'm going to try to kill all the enemies, actually. This is kind of a fun room. So I'll come over here, I'll get this guy. You're already gone. I'm going to come down this way. I'll get this guy also. I don't have enough health, so I got to go get the health before I get the main boss and exit the room. Alright, cool. So I'll come down here, get my health, and then beat the boss guy, and exit the room. Hooray! Cool. Okay, so here I am. I've exited the room, and then on the room summary, I can always click this button down here, and then see the replay. So I can watch the replay, I can share it to the site, I can share it to friends and things like that, and then here's the metadata. So when I actually click share, and it pops up, here it is. So there we go. So it comes in here, and you can see that it's passed that information along. So it's created a title that I set up, and there's the name of the game, the area you're in, Molten Area, the room 21, and then there's your score and your time. So it's not really any huge deal, but for me it's a really big deal because I'm now done, completely done, doing all services for iOS. Some of the services are set up for iOS and Android, but I'm focusing on just completing all the iOS services so I can release on iOS, and then I'll come back and then do the Android ones and then release Android. So it's been a long road, but it's been exciting. None of these things individually are that much difficulty. Setting up leaderboards isn't that hard. Setting up achievements isn't that hard. Advertising, the in-app purchase for removing ads, all this stuff isn't that difficult, but it just adds up, little bits at a time, it just all adds up. So I'm so happy to be done with it, and now I can go back to do nothing but game design and game development and finish up the rest of the game. So what's happening now is I'm finishing up the frozen area, the gadget area, and the magic area. Each of them have unique gameplay mechanics that are going to show up inside the levels, and then big secret is the gauntlet mode. So this has been here for a long time, but I haven't shown it to you yet. I'll be revealing it after a while once I've kind of gotten a little bit further with that. And then I'll be doing some more testing. So thanks for tuning in again. Just wanted to share progress. All done services, back to finishing up the game. I forced myself to finish all the services before doing any more game development or any more design. You know what I mean? I just didn't want that hanging over my head. So I'm just super stoked, and I just wanted to share that. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys later. Bye.